Hey everybody, I have been actively customizing all morning and I'm supposed to be working. I have really tight deadlines coming up, hence the outfit. I'm in my like crazy socks and my very strange leggings. But this parcel arrived. I'm very excited about it and I wanted to unbox it with you, build it with you, and give my stablemates a new home. Basically, I gave my stablemates this brand new home not that long ago. I put all these shelves up myself and I was so proud of myself because I felt like I did such a good job and they looked really cool, but it's like a major hazard. The end of this Breyer shelf is the end of the carpet. So there's like a tile chunk over here. If they're gonna domino, but at least if they domino, they're gonna fall onto the carpet. But all the stablemates were up here and they're above the tile. Stablemates are even more prone to throwing themselves off of the shelf. So I wanted to actually make a shelf for them to go in where they cannot fall to their demise. And I'm also very excited about this because I feel like this would be a good option for you if this works out. So it's a HOMCOM. I ordered it on Amazon. Wow, styrofoam, my favorite. This is actual glass, 2 pieces of glass, and then a bunch of wood. They're all labeled, so that's helpful. I actually really enjoy building IKEA furniture or like projects like this. It's kind of like a puzzle. I don't find it annoying. I think some people hate it. I love it. So I'm excited. Hence why we're making a video out of it. Like I would get people to pay me to build their IKEA furniture. Like I would do that. 1, 2, these are all 8s. Part of the reason why I love my studio the way it is we can build furniture on the carpet floor. I am confident that I'll be able to build this. I am not confident that I will be able to install it by myself. Nice. So just like that. And then apparently you're supposed to slide the glass into those grooves. And they put like paper stickers on everything and it's impossible to get them off. There's another freaking tempered glass sticker on this side. Cool. So those slide in super sweet like that. But now all my screws are underneath here. I never said I was good at making IKEA furniture. I just said that I enjoyed it. And you need to put the shelves in while it's still open so that you don't seal them outside because that would be very bad. We're gonna put in the shelves. I like it. Ta-da! Do-do-do. It's a nice looking shelf, like actually. So I'm gonna start by just measuring it so we know exactly how big it is. I almost feel like it should just sit here on this ledge maybe then. I feel like the first step is to actually remove all the hazards from over here. Regardless, I do have to take these off of the wall. So we're gonna start there. Oh, that's good. Look at that, nice. Just gonna, I'm actually kind of low-key excited because I do feel like I can put these shelves somewhere else. If I could actually use a drill, that would be amazing. Don't do that. One person house chores are not it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually start at the top now and then they won't fall. This one's like stuck with paint. Wow, ta-da! You can see the beautiful wall that was once there. And then we're gonna bring the other shelf over here and just see. There's nothing stronger than a female that wants new shelves for her horses. Maybe I should just leave it, and I could even put that shelf back up. That would work. That's what I'm gonna do instead. Are you allowed to do that? Are you allowed to put an anchor in the wall, take this fruit out, and then put the shelf back in? I mean, these shelves are holding minimal weight. I do want to screw it into the wall. Love it. It's actually very exciting. My only concern is that the Stablemates won't fit. Okay, so this is my box that I just have them in currently. Ideally, I want like these really tippy ones to be in this shelf. But see, like some of these can go up here because they're like less fragile, less fragile. I feel 1,000 times better having them up in this kind of a setup versus what I had before. And if I feel so inclined to collect even more of them, I could extend even further down this way. I could literally just get a second one of these and put it like next. I don't know that I will have to per se. This is a really good shelf for this particular thing. I didn't even drop a single horse while putting these in here. Thanks for joining me on this little like studio update. This has been DeeJayBe Studios. Thank you so much for watching. Happy collecting. I'll link this shelf down below because it was an Amazon purchase. So if you'd like to purchase it yourself, I will have that down below. This has been fun. That was a good time. I'm just glad that they all like actually are in there now and nobody skydived off the shelf. That's the biggest thing. Love it.